is Preeti. We are here with the new exercise, exercise 9.1, page number 182, question number 1. List 5 rational numbers between, we have given 4 parts of the question and we have to find the 5 rational numbers between them. So we are going to start with the part 1. In the part 1, we have to find the number between -1 and 0. So -1 and 0. Now we have to find 5 rational numbers between these numbers. So I am going to, first of all, the rational numbers are the numbers which are in the form of p by q, and q should not be equal to the 0. So right now they are not in the p by q form. So first of all I am going to put them in the p by q form. So first one is the -1 by 1 and the second one is 0 by 1. Now we need 5 rational numbers. So I am going to multiply it by 6. So in the numerator and the denominator, both of them I am going to multiply it by the 6. So -6, 6 ones are 6 and 0 by 6. So we can find numbers between -6 by 6 and 0 by 6. We need 5 rational numbers between them. So it is -5 by 6, -4 by 6, -3 by 6, -2 by 6 and -1 by 6. So 0 by 6, this becomes 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have multiplied by the 6. You can multiply it by any random number. I have taken 6 because I have to find the 5 rational numbers between them. So this is the part 1. Now comes to the part 2. Now in the part 2, we have to find the numbers between -2 and -1. So I am going to multiply it by 6, both in the numerator and the denominator. So this is 6 2s are 12, -12 by 6, and this is 6 1s are 6 and 6 1s are 6. So we have to write the number between -12 by 6 and -6 by 6. So we have to write the 5 rational numbers. So -11 by 6, -10 by 6, -9 by 6, -8 by 6, -7 by 6, and the next one is -6 by 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the part 2. Now comes to the part 3. In the part 3, -4 by 5 and the second rational number is -2 by 3. Now in the part 1 and in the part 2, we are already having, in this one we have to convert this one in the p by q, and in this question the fraction or the rational number is already in the form of p by q. So now we are going to write it -4 by 5 and -2 by 3. Now we are going to multiply these both the numbers by each other's denominator. So this one -4 by 5 with the 3 and -2 by 3 by 5. So now we are having 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15. Now 5 2s are 10 and 5 3s are 15. Now we need 5 rational numbers. So I am going to multiply both of them by 5. So now 12 5s are 60 and 15 5s are 75. Now same here, -50 and this is 15 5s are 75. So now we are having -60 by 75 and -50 by 75. So now we have to write the 5 rational numbers. So this one is -59 by 75, -58 by 75, -57 by 75, -56 by 75, 1, 2, 3, 4, and -55 by 75, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is the part 3. Now comes to the part 4. Now in the part 4, -1 by 2 and 2 by 3. This one is already in the form of p by q. So similarly we'll do it. We'll multiply it by each other's denominator. So this is 3 and this one we are going to multiply it by 2. So 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are 6. Now 2 twos are 4 and 3 twos are 6. Now we need 5 numbers. So we are going to multiply them by 5. So 5 threes are 15 and 6 fives are 30. 5 fours are 20 and 5 sixes are 30. So now we can write 5 numbers between minus 15 by 30 and 20 by 30. So I am going to write here minus 14 by 30, minus 10 by 30, minus 5 by 30, minus 1 by 30, 5 by 30, because here we are having 0 between them. So this one is on the positive side and negative side both. We are having the numbers negative also and the positive also. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is the 5 numbers between minus 15 by 30 and 20 by 30, or originally they are minus 1 by 2 and the 2 by 3. So this is the part 4. With this one we have completed the question number 1. In the next video we are going to start with the question number 2.